Hey guys, it's Turtle back with another video. Today I'm going to be playing Roblox, and I just want to show you guys something. Wait, wrong button. Gosh dang it. Alright, so let me just go to Avatar. I've updated my character if you didn't know. I already know that. Body scale. So I've kind of updated my character. So now I have like blue jeans, pretty cool. Blue Adidas shirt. And I like this better than Turtle. He is my second favorite animal now. This alien guy. I love him. He's so cute. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. He's so cute. Yeah. So that's just a little update on my avatar. What should orange? Really? I'm gonna play. Okay, let's see what this is. Orange Justice Simulator. It's got a good. Wait, don't I have Roblox installed? Oh, I don't. I'll have to install that. What am I? Up, up, up. One. La 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 la. Oh my god, I have to install it. I don't know why, but it always just done downloads. Stupid Chromium is on my computer. Oh my god, so annoying. If you ever had Chromium, it sucks. It like takes some really hard coding to get that off. Well, not coding, just like it's so hard to get that off. A lot of people don't even know how. I don't know how. My brother does, but he forgot. So pretty much it's stuck on my computer. Now we go. Open URL, Roblox protocol. Starting Roblox. I already have Roblox. I don't know what you mean. There we go. Orange Justice. Would you like to take the Orange Justice? Take free, yeah. What? I have no idea what's going on. Everybody go next to me and Orange Justice. I hope this works. I got two people. Oh god, one died. What is this? I'll donate 0 Robux. Woo! Let's do this. Okay, I've had enough of that game. Oh, weird games, weird games. Let's search up for some free Robux games. Let's see how this goes. Free Robux. Robux. Let's see if this is real. Blah, blah, blah. Thank you, How Runs. Okay. I still don't believe this. Iron Legion. Yep, they're all fakes. Yep, they're fakes, because I can't friend them. Enter your password. Okay. Let me just say it. Yep. Receive Robux? No password for you. Should I actually put my real password? No. Okay, I'm done. This is a fake. I'm out. This is all fakes. Fakes! I call hacks. Seriously. Oh, yep. Let's go. Robux. Robux tycoon. Free Robux. Yep. Free Robux. Robux. Huh, let's see this one. Let's see if this one's okay. Let's see if this one's going to be... I wonder Roblox open. Hey, Roblox. Yep, I can't friend it. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, I got a fidget spinner. No problems. Yep. Wait 2 hours. What the frick is happening to my character? Did I really just get... No way. I don't see any... Oh yeah, because it's 2 to 8 days. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get any free Robux. Well, give it a shot. Never trust those things, kids. Wow. Let's check this. It just comes up in popular. It's one of the most popular games. Really? Really? Let's see if this one works. And it's the most popular. So there's a bunch of people playing it. How it works. Visit Roblox TV on your computer. Select the builder, scope up there. Click channel and follows. Doesn't work. I already tried it. Wait, can I copy the game? Please let me copy. Please. Oh, there's no copy. I can't copy it and paste it. And just keep it going. Wait, can you copy in the city? No. Wait, can I copy my own game? Oh yeah. Go to my games, link in below for my games that I have. And friend me, I'll accept. Let me just go here. Yeah, Dragoon. Okay, and let's just do Sky Tycoon. Edit. Yeah, you can't copy it. Yeah, some games you can copy, very rarely though. You know, let's just do a little thing of this. I'm gonna win a game right now, guys. Okay? I won a game for you guys. Of Zom's Royale. Let's do this. Grab my mouse. Ugh. I don't have Fortnite on here. I only have it on my dad's. So. The game is loading. You will be ready for you to play in just a moment. Let's do this, guys. Log in, duh, you know me. You know me, I am a god at this game. I don't know. Come on, load, please. Please. Oh, and by the way, common is white, uncommon is green, rare is blue, epic is purple, legendary is yellow, mythic is red. Or pink. Like that, no, red pink. Can you hurry up? Like, this is annoying. Can't take this anymore. Thank God. Dude, you didn't get my account? Thank God. I'm not just a player. I am turtle. Always. Always. Let's go. Solo. Let's do this. Oh, new stuff added. I haven't played this game in years, guys. Not years, but in months. Is there any puppetry anywhere? It's like impossible to break. There's no puppetry. Ooh, new map. New map, I see. I'm gonna go there. I haven't played this game in so long. It's like, I suck. I suck now. I suck at this game now. Oh, you want to come in here? I will rifle you. Thank God. Lower him. Okay, now to bring my skills back. Dead. My skills are back, baby, back, baby, back. There's a bunch of lag though, so my skills might not be back, baby, back, baby, back. Oh God! Frick, frick. I'm stuck. Yeah, I'm totally dead. Oh, in a second, I'm dead. Nope, I died. I haven't played this game. Oh, I did pretty good. Yeah, I did pretty good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Wait, I have an outro. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. There we go. What the frick? Octavia E button? Whatever. I'll see you guys later. Bye.